friends, the next steps, that is eighth one, that is pronunciation drill. Okay, what's that? It's a structured language exercise where a learner repeat words. Where learners repeat words, phrases, sounds multiple times to improve accuracy. Okay? Muscle memories and for its clarity. Okay? It produces new sounds. Many sounds helps to control rhythm, intonation, often using techniques like, this kinds of drill helps to make your tongue sharper. Okay? Now, this goes step by step. Okay? There are another component of the pronunciation drill, that is syllable. That's why it is called syllabic drills. Okay? Syllables means acknowledgement. I am giving you an example. Acknowledgement. There are 3 parts of a single word. So I am dividing into 3 parts. That's why it's an average explanation I'm giving you. I will come again afterwards. So this is called syllabic fractions of a word. Acknowledgement, together acknowledgement. Okay. This is very helpful. Pronunciation drills. Dear students, go for pronunciation drills every day for 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 words, 15 words, 10 sentences, 20 sentences per day, and it will be gathered as a whole, a bigger one. Okay? Go step by step, talk thoroughly. Okay? So, what's again repeated? Pronunciation drill. Okay? So, let's start pronunciation drill. Follow audio and start to repeat, start to pronounce new words, new sentence. Sentence will help you less for the pronunciation drill. Only for pronunciation drill, you have to pronounce words. So start practicing words repeatedly. It's not that you will repeat once. Until and unless you memorize the style of the pronunciation of that particular word, you will continue to repeat it with the speaker. Okay, my friends, if you like it, please share it. I'll be thankful. Write a comment. Okay? Bye-bye, my friends. Have a nice time. I'll come with another